से मुतनाज़ा हैं। अक़लियतों की एक सूबाई नशिस्त भी पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी को मिली।
For reserved seats for both women and non-Muslims by the 22nd.
With the affiliation certificate of...
Yes. So, this. Now I come to page 2, sir. ये मैंने एज अ सैंपल के तौर पे लगाया है सर सिर्फ कि ये जो अनाउंस होते हैं रिजल्ट बिकॉज हिज लॉर्डशिप इट इंक्वायर्ड अबाउट द अनाउंसमेंट आल्सो
आपने ये बताया ना कि इसके बाद 2 दिन एक्सटेंड हुए फॉर
जी
फाइलिंग नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स और उसके बाद ये ठीक है
सर फिर
just go through this thing.
जी
First is the important one is the nomination paper last filing date.
जी
Then the names of the candidates are published
जी
in the newspaper. Number 3.
No, they are published on the website, I think.
Okay, not keep going through it. Then comes last date of scrutiny.
जी जो हमारे लिए important date है.
No, एक second.
जी.
Scrutiny also of the women and the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's then appeals. Then last date of appeals, publication revised list of candidates. Last date of withdrawal of candidature.
Revised list.
Allotment elections symbol to contesting candidates at polling day. Correct.
ठीक. Sir, if your lordship may kindly see, सिर्फ मैं page 2 इसलिए दिखा रहा हूँ.
Sorry, just 1 minute. In this schedule, in the publication of revised list of candidates, are the reserved lists also published or not?
They are published, as far as I am aware. They are like any other candidate, sir. जी.
So the revised list includes the reserved.
Yes.
आपका कहना है कि नॉमिनेशन पेपर से पहले पार्टी ने लिस्ट भी देनी है और अपने कैंडिडेट रिजर्व सीट के लिए नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स भी आने हैं.
जी लिस्ट भी देनी है और नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स.
ये तो शुरू में ही देनी है ना 104 के तहत सेक्शन 104 के तहत देनी.
जी.
बिफोर इलेक्शन.
जी.
उनको भी उसी 62 और 63 के तहत करना पड़ेगा.
This is the law. जब मैं वो सेक्शन पढ़ूंगा तो they go through the same scrutiny.
For the PTI, did the revised lists contain the reserve lists candidates?
जी. I would have filed that, but our office has been sealed, so all our documents are in that office. That is why we are handicapped. But they are with the election commission.
No,
they can provide.
I don't make such statement, fleeting statement. If you want an order, we'll pass an order. If you don't, नहीं देखें ऐसे ना करें. ऐसे आपने by the way kind of thing है. You filing a document which if your case is affected by it, we would want your document to be.
Sir, I should have access to those documents.
How will we know, Mr. Faisal Siddiqui? There's only one way to know things. That is by filing something in the court.
Sir, बात दुरुस्त है ना? Sealed है उसमें documents.
I don't want him to address. Please, you answer. ये ना करें.
जी डॉक्यूमेंट्स
नहीं ये बातें नहीं. आपको एप्लीकेशन देना है दीजिए.
जी मैं दे दूंगा बिल्कुल.
ये ऐसे but don't make these statements that are not part of the record.
जी मैं बिल्कुल एप्लीकेशन.
Next each time you'll say this document is ये ना करना. We'll certainly give you access. If there is a genuine, if there's an application अभी order कर देंगे उस पे.
Thank you sir. Thank you. I'm very grateful sir.
So let's go by the documents on record.
जी. Sir page 2 पे ये मैंने document सिर्फ इसलिए लगाया.
Just before going to page 2, now you've told us, I assume these are your instructions, that at page 1, item serial number 7, that is dated 11/1/2024. You said that the entire schedule was pushed forward by 2 days. Is that
2 days? This is noted in the Election Commission's order.
So your instructions are that the revised lists for PTI, revised list of candidates included the reserved.
The list of candidates included.
PTI.
Yes.
And at some point in time, then PTI lost its election symbol.
On 22nd.
22nd
of December 2023. That is the original order of the Election Commission.
Not the original, the final order.
It's a final order. That's the final order of the election. Then it was this was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, which set aside the order. And then on 13 January 2020.
Ultimately, the order is of the Supreme Court.
Yes.
What date is that order?
13 January 2024.
ये dates पहले go step by step. ये 22nd को क्या था? What happened? Election
22nd December 2024. Is 2023, I'm sorry.
This is when the Election Commission passed an order.
Yes, my lord.
That was the last date for filing nomination
Yes,
papers.
but we had filed our list for reserve seats. On instructions, I say that. Then, my lord, that was challenged before the Peshawar High Court, and the Peshawar High Court, through a short order dated 10 January 2024, set aside the order of the Election Commission. And then an appeal was filed by the Election Commissions, and your lordships were pleased to set aside that order. 13th January 2024.
ये सवाल आप नोट कर लें, अभी जवाब देना चाहिए या बाद में देना चाहिए? क्या ये सिंबल लेने के बाद एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी जो कि आइन के आर्टिकल 17 के तहत और इलेक्शन एक्ट के तहत बनी थी, उसका वजूद बरकरार था या खत्म हुआ?
इसमें एक जो प्रिसाइज क्वेश्चन,
और दूसरा क्वेश्चन ये कि क्या सिंबल लेने के बाद उसके जो बकाया हकूक इलेक्शन लॉज में दिए गए थे, क्या वो हकूक भी सल्ब हुए, या वो इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट कर सकती थी, वो सर्टिफिकेट कैंडिडेट को जारी कर सकती थी, वो कैंडिडेट को मुकर्रर कर सकती थी? क्या उस ऑर्डर के तहत किसी कैंडिडेट पे पाबंदी थी कि आप फलां पार्टी से इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ सकते? ये सारी बातें, क्या उसका इम्पैक्ट सिर्फ ये था कि सिंबल जो कि एक पार्टी को सहूलत के लिए दी जाती है कि आप कैंपेन चला सकते हैं, इसके अलावा उसकी क्या रिपरकशन, जिसको पेश ऐसा किया गया कि पार्टी खत्म हो गई और जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकाल दिया? क्या ये सारी बातें हैं?
ये बताइए,
निकला, किसी ने पढ़ा उसको?
इज पाकिस्तान तहरीक इंसाफ टुडे एन इनलिस्टेड पार्टी ऑफ Election Commission ki?
Yes.
So that answers the question.
Yes. And I think all your lordship, sir.
Coming off from what my learned colleagues are saying, I think we have, speaking for myself, we have to keep always in mind that we are looking at the question before us in a very specific and limited context, which is allocation of reserved seats.
Yes.
And nothing beyond that. And that para D of clause 6 speaks of a political party. So for me, the question is, what, for purposes of that clause, is a political party?
Yes.
For purposes of distribution of the reserved seats, maintaining proportionality, because seems to me that if you look at the constitutional understanding of a political party, then you are in a position where the basic rule is proportionality. That's it.
Yes.
That balance can never be tipped.
Yes.
The only legally, constitutionally permissible manner to do that is by way of the proviso. That's all.
Yes.
So the question then becomes, in the very, very peculiar facts and circumstances that are before us, namely a national political party admittedly registered with the Election Commission, for whatever reason, I don't go into that, fought the general election without a common election symbol.
Yes.
Is that still for purposes of the allocation a political party within the meaning of clause D, in order to ensure that this balance that is commanded by this is not tipped?
Yes.
This has a negative aspect, and so far we have been looking at the negative aspect, that no political party can get seats more than proportionately,
yes,
more than what it won, subject, as I say, to the constitutionally permissible exception of the proviso.
Yes.
But it seems to me that this clause, this paragraph D, has not just a negative aspect, but also a positive aspect. And the command of the Constitution is, negatively, do not give them